Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Indian festive makeup look. I have created this very beautiful smoky eye. So let's get started. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Starting to prep my face with the help of Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream by the Face Shop Official. This is such a nice, very thick and very moisturizing hydrating cream which you should apply before applying any foundation that helps your skin to protect from any heavy makeup that you're going to apply and also helps your makeup to stay put through all day. After that, I'm going to prime my face with the help of Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. I'm just going to apply it on the area where I need to hide my pores, that is around my nose, around on my cheeks, and just going to massage the primer into my skin. I'm not rubbing it. So take your time, massage the primer properly into your skin, and once you're done priming, I'm going in with my favorite foundation by Clinique. This is the Anti-Blemish Solution Foundation. It is kind of a full coverage foundation, so I'm going to apply very little bit because I want my makeup to look like very natural. That is how I like to do my makeup. Going in with my damp beauty blender, just dabbing the foundation into my skin, and that will make my foundation look very natural. After that, I'm going to do my eyebrows with the help of my favorite Benefit brow pencil. This is in shade Cool Black, and just going to fill in the natural shape of my eyebrows. I like to keep my eyebrows looking very natural. I don't like the very sharp and defined eyebrows, so I'm just filling in and following the natural shape, and this is such an effortless eyebrow pencil. I have also done my other eyebrows off the camera. Now I'm going to apply my concealer, and I'm going to apply this favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. This is such a nice concealer, and with a very little amount you get a very nice and defined coverage. So again, going in with my damp beauty blender, I'm just dabbing the concealer in. After that, I'm going to set the concealer in place with the help of Fit Me Maybelline Loose Powder. I like to apply very little amount because my under eye area tends to get very dry. And then I'm going to prime my eyelid with the help of Wet n Wild Photo Finish Concealer. This is in shade Light. This makes sure that your eyeshadow color pops really nicely and your eyeshadow will not fall out. So I'm just going in with my damp beauty blender and spreading the concealer all over my eyelid. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution by Petra eyeshadow palette and have selected a very light brown shade very close to my skin tone and just applying it into my crease. So I'm just moving the brush around my crease, not going below or above the crease. I'm using the brush E40 by Sigma. This is my favorite blending brush, such an effortless brush. All you need to have is one blending brush and you are good to go. So I'm just applying the same shadow on the other eye. Now going with a little darker brown shade and just applying it as my transition shade to increase the color, and again applying it at the outer corner and into the crease. Always hold your brush very lightly and do not apply too much pressure. Now I'm going to select a darker brown shade, like a chocolatey shade named Sweet Tooth, and just going to pack it onto my eyelid, not going above the eyelid. Now again I'm going in with my Sigma E40 blending brush and just blending any harsh line that is in between the transition shade and the darker shade. So I'm just going to blend it very nicely. Now I'm taking a dark black shade and applying it onto my lid very close to my lash line and just packing in the black color, and we'll do the same onto the other eye. So I finished the look by applying kajal and eyelashes off the camera. Now I'm going to contour my face with the help of Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Just applying it on my cheeks, on my forehead and on my jawline. If you have an oily skin type, always use a butter bronzer or a powder bronzer. Once done contouring my face, I'm going to apply a blush, and today I'm going in with my Try Sugar Salmon Superstar blush, and just like to apply it all over my cheeks, on my nose, just sort of to connect and give a flush to my face. And also I like to apply it little bit on the area where I have applied the contour powder. After that, I'm going to apply highlighter, and today I'm going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter in shade Precious Petal. This is such a gorgeous, very subtle highlighter and very affordable as well. If you are a beginner, you should definitely check this one out. Such a good quality and again budget friendly. I like to apply the highlighter on the high point of my cheek, on my nose, little bit on the upper lip. To complete the entire makeup look, now I'm going to apply my lipstick, and today I have selected Brownish Nude by Miss Claire, and this is such a gorgeous affordable drugstore lipstick. The formulation is so good, so creamy and very matte, and the stay is also really good. So that's it guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love how the smoky eye turned out. It kinds of complement the neon outfit. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.